The 2026 zero tax rate increase bond is a smart, strategic investment in our schools, in our community, and in our shared future, without raising property taxes.
Welcome to the original gymnasium of the Grand Blanc Township Unit School, part of the original historical Grand Blanc School building built in 1921. My name is Max Harrison. I'm a graduate of Grand Blanc High School from 2016. I'm the president of the Grand Blanc Heritage Association, and I am a PhD candidate in agricultural and rural history at Iowa State University. Today, we're going to take you through the Perry Center and highlight some of the historic features of this building that still exist and talk about what's coming ahead for the building. We're standing more or less on the site of Grand Blanc's original village school, which was built on the corner of Perry Road and Saginaw Street in 1894. In 1903, a new state law made school consolidation possible, and Grand Blanc led the way. By joining with the Porter and Cook schools, Grand Blanc became Michigan's first consolidated school district. The school that was here was tragically destroyed in a December 1920 fire. The loss was devastating, but the community joined forces, and within days, classes resumed in churches, public buildings, homes, and even some of the old one-room schoolhouses that were put back into service. After the tragic 1920 fire, the community came together to decide on building a new school building. Lansing architect Warren Holmes designed this building to be fireproof so that it would last not just for the immediate future, but for multiple generations. He recommended a structure built of steel and brick and concrete. Many of those features survive in this building today, and with proposed renovations, those features will be not just maintained, but restored and made usable for another century of Grand Blanc children. Long before the first floor of the Perry Center was offices and a library, it was the bustling heart of the Grand Blanc Township Unit School. What's now the main offices used to be the cafeteria. On the right was a kindergarten classroom, followed by a sewing room where home economics students could hone some of their many crafts. What is now the Perry Center's library was at one time actually the shop classroom, where farm children could hone their crafts so that they could go contribute as farm citizens in Grand Blanc. The original portions of the Grand Blanc Township Unit School ended right here, where students would have went through a set of double doors out into the backyard to board the buses. The portions built beyond this section were constructed predominantly after World War II, when enrollment was skyrocketing, eventually forcing the district to have to build new buildings entirely. 100 years on, many original features survive from the original Grand Blanc Township School. Features like original woodwork and woodwork surrounds for the fire extinguishers. Features like an original school bell, original terrazzo floor, even original lockers. In 1924, only a couple of years after the building opened, it was already bursting at the seams. In response, the community again came together and voted on a second bond, this one to extend the third floor of the building over the original gymnasium. That bond passed. Construction began in 1924, and it concluded in 1925. This space provided much needed room for the junior high school students. Today, Grand Blanc Community Schools stands at another pivotal moment. Just as earlier generations honored the past while planning for the future, our community is being asked to invest in the renovation of the Perry Center. The zero tax increase bond proposal will fund the preservation of this historic landmark and repurpose the building to meet today's needs. The plan will include relocating administrative offices to the third floor, consolidating IT and technology support on the second floor, and expanding the early childhood center on the first floor. By reinvesting in the Perry Center, we honor the same values that have guided Grand Blanc for more than a century: foresight, responsibility, and community pride. This historic building will continue to inspire and serve students and the community for generations to come, all without raising property taxes.
Remember to vote on May 5th, 2026.